What's up YouTube? So I'm here with yet another video. So today I'm going to be doing coils and wires on this 2017 Camaro SS red drop top. So far it has a MSD atomic air force intake manifold, the K&N intake, the 103 throttle body. It has a flex fuel kit as well as Speed Engineering 1 7/8. Well, no, Speed Engineering 2-inch headers. You have a catch can there. So if you do remember this car, I did post this car on my channel about a year or two ago, probably a year. But I did all the work on this car, so you will see a lot of this on there. So today we're going to be doing the MSD coils as well as new Speed Engineering plug wires. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Basically what I'm gonna be doing now is moving this cross mount right there. As well as that, I'm gonna go ahead and get all the coils moved. So you have two tins here, here. So each coil has two tins. You're gonna have the clips, and then you have to disconnect the plugs. And then as well as that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the plug wires disconnected. So I'm not going to do an in-depth video because it is an easy install, but I will show you piece by piece. All right, so I have this side off the coils. Basically I almost fell. But basically the coils, you're gonna have the two screws there. You take the screws out, you just pull it off, unplug them. So that side is about done. Got two of the plugs out. Go ahead and get the rest of the plug wires pulled out of here. Motor is kind of hot, so I'm being a little careful with it. And shoot, go from there. All right, so this is the end of the installation. I did get the plug wire put back in the plug wire, then the coils with the I got it on both sides. So I didn't film both sides because I mean there's nothing to it. You just have to remove this PVC hose. This PVC hose right here, and you have to use it and remove this PVC. Just move it out the way, really. Take the cross mount off top, and then you're gonna also remove that PVC. So yeah, once you do that, then everything's ready to go. Now my son pulling up from SS1LE.
What up, man?
Hey, Kale. Hey, rev him up. Motherfucking fast. So without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and stay tuned for more videos. Let's get it.
Stay tuned for more videos.